Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this Purple Cut Crease Makeup look. To start out this look, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette and using the bright purple shade. Next, using the same palette, we're going to be using the pink shade to blend out the color towards the eyebrows. Next, we're going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and using the dark purple shade on the outer corners. Then we'll be using concealer to cut the crease. Here I'm using a Melani Concealer. Next, we'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette for the light purple sparkly shade, and we're going to be putting this where we cut the crease. For my contour, I'm using a light brown powder shade and using it on my cheekbones and nose areas. For the blush, I'm using Sigma Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Nymphea. For the highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Skin Illuminating Enhancer in the shade Moonbeam. And for the lips, I'm using a NYX Liquid Lingerie Lipstick in the shade Embellishment. For my lashes, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and I'll be topping this with Boss Lashes later on. And this completes this bright purple cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.